President Ho Chi Minh's paternal home at Kim Lien relic site, Nam Dan, Nghe An, about 16 kilometers west of Vinh city. Sen village, Kim Lien commune, Nam Dan district, Nghe An province is the paternal home of President Ho Chi Minh. Here, he spent his peaceful childhood years with his family and hometown, forming a deep love for the country. Sen village, with its dark brown tiled roof houses, rows of green areca trees, and the gentle Lam River flowing through, has become a simple yet beautiful picture of the homeland in the memories of many Vietnamese people. It was on this land that President Ho Chi Minh soon formed the ideology of patriotism and love for the people, laying the foundation for a life of dedication to the independence and freedom of the nation. Kim Lien relic site, a place to preserve golden memories, to commemorate and honor the great contributions of President Ho Chi Minh. Kim Lien relic site was built and preserved. This is an architectural complex including Nguyen Sinh family temple, an ancient house, where many valuable artifacts related to Uncle Ho's family are preserved. Exhibition house, displays documents, images, and artifacts recreating the daily life of Uncle Ho and his family in Sen village. Hoang Tru village, Uncle Ho's maternal hometown, where he was born and spent his early childhood years. Memorial area, with a majestic statue of Uncle Ho, where visitors come to offer incense and pay their respects to him. Historical and cultural significance. Kim Lien relic site is not only a tourist destination, but also an extremely meaningful cultural and historical space. This place, preserving historical values, the relic site is a vivid testament to the life and revolutionary career of President Ho Chi Minh. Educating patriotic traditions, through artifacts and documents, visitors will better understand Uncle Ho's arduous but glorious path of struggle. Arousing national pride, the relic site is a symbol of the patriotic and indomitable spirit of the Vietnamese people. Coming to Kim Lien. When visiting the Kim Lien relic site, visitors will have the opportunity to learn about Uncle Ho's life and career through stories, images, and documents on display. Feel the simple beauty of the Vietnamese countryside, with ancient houses, green rice fields. Exchange and learn with local people, to better understand the life and people here. Conclusion. President Ho Chi Minh's hometown and the Kim Lien relic site are red addresses that every Vietnamese person should visit once. This place is not only a tourist destination, but also a journey to find the roots, learn about the history of the nation and express gratitude to the great leader of the nation.
Home.